Hey guys, another video from POTN. We're just looking at the V-Maxx Coilover range here and why we would want to go for coilovers and just a little bit more into the product itself. Now the V-Maxx Coilover range is ideal. You offer great lowering amounts, they're great products, they're great value and they're really high quality. Now why would you go for a coilover? The benefit of a coilover means you can adjust the height. With a simple adjustment of the ring means you can adjust your vehicle up or down whilst it's off the ground. We also offer damping adjustable kits as well, meaning with a swift turn of the nozzle you can adjust the damping rate from firm to softer, meaning you can really get the setup that you want for that perfect fast road drive. V-Maxx offer 2 years warranty on all their products, meaning that you've got the best product for your money. That's it from me here at POTN. Remember to check out vmaxshop.co.uk and like and subscribe these videos and find out all about the latest products. Take care.